Hello, everyone. My name is Nate Bickford. I'm a faculty member here at American Public University System, and I'm here to introduce class EVSP506, which is Restoration Ecology. This is a relatively new field in science. It's things that we've been doing for a long time, but now we've put all this information into kind of one category or one science, and it's really fascinating. Restoration ecology is all about restoring habitat. And there's a lot of tried and true methods. Like I said, it's things we've been doing for a long time. We really refined them, but now we've put them all together in kind of one area of science. And we have a class about that kind of teaches you a lot of those different methods. And it's a really exciting class because you really get to see on the ground the fixes that you do. And so in this course, we'll talk about the concepts, like, because there are some theoretical concepts of what we're trying to restore. And then we'll teach you the actual applied techniques that you need to do and the design on how to fix these different types of habitat. Whether that's just disturbed, degraded, or completely altered. And so you can see here, like in this picture, there's grass plantings in a certain area that we're trying to maybe hold a beach or hold sand or what have you. But this is a wonderful class because you see around us so much impacted by different effects from humans or climate or land use or whatever it may be, and knowing how to fix them effectively is a very powerful tool, and it's something to be very excited about. And there's, no matter where you live, there'll be something that needs to be worked on. So you'll be able to see things right outside your front door that I think makes this class a very, very exciting class. We'll talk about the philosophy of, and the basic theoretical components, because there are lots of different types of restoration. And so understanding the theoretical background of that is really important to actually then know what tools to use to apply to fix them. And so we'll look at how to build a detailed restoration plan, how to analyze habitat, ecosystem function, so on and so forth. These are all really important tools or outcomes that are important. And through that, we're going to teach you the tools so you can go out and apply these tools in restoration ecology, how to analyze habitat requirements. So how to restore ecosystem function or ecosystem services. So there's a lot of different tools that will teach you. It's a very exciting field. So no prereqs. I think it's important to have that ecology background. What's really amazing is you can go from a habitat on the left down here in the bottom that, just trashy, right? Hardly anything can live there, to this habitat on the right. 22 years, it seems like a long time, but when you think about how nature moves, that's a really quick time for Mother Nature. So restoration ecology is a very, very powerful class. It's a powerful concept, and it's very exciting. And so depending on your classes that you've taken already, you may be taking some of these, like wildlife management, fisheries management, conservation, environmental ethics, or you've already had them or you will have them. But these are some classes that will probably all fit together. I am truly excited to see you in class. I hope that you're in my class, and if not, I hope to have you in a different class. Have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching.